Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this review, we'll take a close look at this powerful website called TextExpander. So we're going to review the benefits, the features, the pros and cons about this powerful website. So let's get started. So have you ever had to type the same thing again and again? TextExpander is like a magic app that helps you with that. So you can create a little shortcut called snippet. It can be anything like your email address or a old template you use all the time. It even works for teams so that everyone can use the same shortcut. Many users give it a good rate. You can even try it out with a free trial to see if you like it. The pricing depends on what you need. It's about helping you type faster and easier. So talking about the key features about this platform, it comes with a different arrays of features. So TextExpander has some really cool things it can do. So these features make typing way easier and faster. So let's look at some of the best features on this platform, which is one of the best features is autocorrection, custom snippet, and text sharing together with fill in the blank snippet and a picture format. And talking about the pricing plan, it comes with a different pricing plan. We have a individual plan, the business plan, the growth plan, enterprise plan. So if you want the price list for this all this plan listed, you can simply get back to the website to get more information about the price for the plan and the specific key features that are located to each and every plan. And that's it.